Garcia inside, a quick release by Cavalina. A switch. It's Suwewe ties the game. Nice move, nice break by Rossini. And he gets the friendly bounce. An offensive rebound. Good fakes. Good. Force the shot. Oh, he gets a third. Wewe na matitimon. Morgan Lunan. Wewe with a gather. And good defense by. And Rossini with a slow down and making sure. For money back. Wewe again. Inside to Arjan. And Arjan finishes the play. Off the paint. Rossini on the Euro step. And he lays it up and in. This is the ball, a steal by Gige, a pass by Morgan Luna, and Gige. And count the deficit to one. In Pater Cal, Labigan attacks, Labigan lays it up and in. Lazella. He gets the basket, make a stop of foul. Over, Pitang Leo muna. A steal by Labigan. Back to that. Dutch splits the defense. Dutch lays it up and in. Dwight inside the B-boy. B-boy missed. Catch and shoot for Cavalida. Cavalida to Sayaw. Blocked by Dutch. But the second try make a solo foul. And Sayaw completes. Missed the layup. Padayaw to Sayaw. Make a solo foul. Back to Evan, Dutch for three. Finally, Dutch Mantillas. I-reply ba si Padayaw? A good offensive rebound, another one. Back to that offensive rebound. On the play, pass, Mendoza sa kanto tres. Mendoza, three. No problem for Rossini. The Vendon, Wewe to Pibon. Babalik kay Wewe. A perfect execution. Masyal na nakawala. Sayaw. Miss. Offensive rebound. Back to back save. On the push. Wewe to Dutch. To GK. Round the release. Ini Masaya. Lucky break for Lunan. Wewe spin. Wewe scoop. It's a mess of